44 says, in rectangle KM, is 10x plus 4, and ln equals 64. Find the value of x. So I know in a rectangle the diagonals are equal, so km equals nl, or ln, either way. So I know that 10x plus 24 equals 64. We are going to go ahead and subtract our 24 from both sides. And we get 10x equals, 40? We'll divide by 10. And x equals 4. So your diagonals are equal to each other. Just set them equal and solve for x. Number 45 says, find the measure of the numbered angles in the rhombus. The diagram is not to scale. First things first, the center of my rhombus is always 90 degrees. So angle 1 equals 90. And then I know that these two angles are congruent and these two down here. So angle 2 is going to equal 24. And so is this little angle here. And I notice I have a little triangle here and I have two of my angles. So I know 24 plus 90 plus angle 3 equals 180. When I add 24 and 90, I get 114 plus angle 3 equals 180. We'll subtract 114 from both sides. And we'll be left with angle 3 equals 66. And so our answers are 66, 24, and 90. 46 says, in the rhombus, angle 1 equals 15x, angle 2 equals x plus y, and angle 3 equals 30z. Find the value of each variable. The diagram is not to scale. So I notice all of my angles are on the inside here, so they all equal 90. So I know that angle 1 equals 90, and so 90 equals 15x, which was my equation up here. We'll divide both sides by 15, and we get x equals 6. For angle 2, we know that one equals 92, so angle 2 equals 90. So 90 equals x plus y. We know x is 6, so 90 equals 6 plus y. If we subtract our 6 from both sides, we get y equals 84. And then our last one, we're looking for z. We know that angle 3 equals 90, and 90 will have to equal 30z. We will just divide both sides by 30, and we get z equals 3. So our final answers are x is 6, y is 84, and z is 3.